In the stillness of nature, discover the power to turn your dreams into unstoppable reality. Like rivers shaping mountains, persistence and patience create extraordinary success, even through the smallest actions. The forest whispers that growth takes time. Step forward with courage, even in moments of uncertainty. Let the vast skies remind you that your potential is infinite, as endless as the universe itself. True success blooms where inner peace meets action, like a flower thriving in fertile soil.